Cool. That was all part of the plan. I'm Corry Thoman with Any Hour Services. I'm in the HVAC tune-up department and been there about a year. We're going to American Fork to do a tune-up for a Comfort Assurance Plan customer. Hector installed a humidifier for him like a year ago, I think. So we'll check that out, make sure that's working okay, answer any questions. Right, let's go meet our customer. Hi, Ron.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ron. I'm Corry with Any Hour. How are you?
Good. How are you this morning?
Doing well. Yeah, are we doing both today? You want your AC and the furnace looked at? So you've had a couple tune-ups here in the past. Looks like one a year about, right?
Right.
So we kind of just assess basic history of the unit. I have a pretty good idea.
May run here and there.
If you got stuff to do, we'll fill you in at the end, kind of what's going on. Okay, I'll start with the temperature difference just to get an idea of how the system's running, what we can expect going forward.
Is there a way to convert the hose to something more permanent there?
The system looks pretty good, really new. Let's see what our amps are pulling. We just want to make sure that it's pulling the right amount of power. Flame sensor just tells the unit kind of make sure the flame's on to push the gas. If it's too weak or it's dirty or something, it won't read right and it will tell the system to shut off. So we'll check the heat exchangers. On this, we just want heat exchangers to cool down, so I just shut off the gas. So the blower will continue to run, cool off those heat exchangers. So this is our coil, and just what the refrigerant runs through. These fins are, it's like a radiator on a car, except instead of bugs and things, we're gonna get dirt, hair, dust, everything, and it just kind of compacts on this opposite side. So that's the side we wanna see. We wanna look up into it. So they look pretty clean in here. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're looking real sharp down here. We're in good shape. Looks super good. 12.2. So that's still in super good condition. We are set. Got the electronic filter. Not too bad. So the electrostatic filter just puts an electronic charge in there, so it's just gonna gather more debris than normal. Okay, Ron, so just wanna fill you in real quick. Everything's looking great. We're just gonna start up the AC, make sure that's working good. I took some pictures for you, we'll show you when we finish up. But so far, the system's really clean, it's looking great. All right, let's bust out to our condenser. Got everything, we have everyone. Oh man, this thing looks awesome. Looks brand new. So same thing on this, just has a capacitor. They do a dual, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1. And same as the blower motor, we just want to make sure that we're up to spec on it. So do you ever spray this thing off?
I'll blow it off once in a while there.
Ooh. We're dang near perfect. The system's in great shape. Well taken care of, it's clean, operating the way that it should. We provided some options to do is drain downstairs, get rid of that hose. This is basically the check off that we do for the AC. Probably familiar with it from the last time, but main things, your components all look really, really good.
While you're here, you would take care of it there.
Yeah, we could take care of all of it.
Let's do that one.
So we gave him a couple options. He's gonna go with option 1. It's gonna be replace his drain line. He's currently got a hose on there that he doesn't like. So we're gonna put a PVC on there, make it look as nice as we can, and also add a sediment trap to his gas line, and then replace that humidifier pad with a new one. Richard's a half decent guy. He's a good boss, I like him. Don't make sure to cut that out, we don't want him to know. Okay, so on this, we just moved your valve over here, or added the sediment trap. And then on this side, I did just zip tie that one to the grate there. Swapped your humidifier pad, and everything's great. We're going to the steward's place. We're doing a comfort assurance plan tune-up on their system, making sure it's gonna work here for the summer, make sure they're not gonna have any problems going forward. So we'll evaluate the whole system and let them know how it's doing. And then fill you in. If there is anything that we do notice that's not part of the warranty that we recommend, we'll write you down some options for those. And then if you want us to do anything like that, we can get the work done the same day. But our biggest thing, Ms. Stewart, is to give you guys great service. Our installers do a bang up job. There's usually not really many issues we'll find ever. Usually everything's working really, really well, operating super well. Pristine. Instead of taking this cover off, we're gonna go through this nice little hole here made for my camera. A nice, pristine evaporator coil. Not a speck of dirt. Oh, and we are about golden. Everything looks great. Start her back up. Check out the outside unit. I think we're good. This thing's in great shape. Of course, my man Stephen P installed it, so I expect nothing but the best. So everything looks really good. Let's go in and give her the rundown. Let her know what's going on. Do you have any questions that you can think of at all? Any concerns?
Not really. The whole system's been really nice.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good rest of your day.
Thank you too.
Yeah, great day. I love my job. Any hour's fantastic. I recommend it to everyone. You'll be taken care of here. That's what's important. And you get to work with cool people all day long and meet cool customers all day long. So yeah, apply it any hour. Well, thanks for riding with me. I'm gonna go in, enjoy the rest of my night, change. So we'll see you guys later.